Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read the 10 lines on my mother. My mother name is Dash. My mother is a housewife and is very hardworking. She always remains busy in homeworks. She is the first one to wake up in the morning and last one to go to bed at night. She washes clothes, cooks food, and even helps us in doing our homework. Sometimes she tells us interesting stories. She is a beautiful and cheerful personality. There is always a smile on her face. She never complains anything. I love my mother very much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.